Today I'm going to show you how to install your Melco Fast Clamp Pro. We will need our fast clamp. You'll also need the set of Allen keys included in your operator's kit. First, we will unbox this. We'll set the instructions aside. We'll take out the main clamp body. Then our set of arms, I'm going to use the medium arms today. So we'll grab the lower arms, which have the rubber insert. And then our top jaws, which have the thumb screws and the foam pads. We'll also need 2 of these black screws. First, we will install our lower arms. You'll note that these have a channel machined out of them. We've also got 2 locking lugs on either side of the clamp body. So these will just insert together like that. Then we will grab one of our screws and our 2.5mm Allen wrench from our set. And we will insert the screw into that hole right there. Take this, insert it into the screw hole, tighten that down, and then repeat on the other side. Then for the top jaws, again you'll notice a notch grooved into the top jaw that fits over the locking lug here. We will just slot those into place like so and tighten down the thumb screw. This screw will be used later to tension the jaws to your garments, so it does have a very long travel, but just screw that on as far as it'll go. And then repeat on the other side. Next, we'll put our fast clamp on the machine. Note that the screw holes on the fast clamp will line up with the second screw hole on the machine. Get those lined up and then put our screw in place. Then once we've got that hand tightened, we will grab our 6mm Allen wrench and tighten it just a little bit more. Just enough to really lock it down. Now that we've got this installed, we can use this large thumb screw on the side here. We can loosen that and then move the clamps to our desired position, and then tighten it down. Next, on my sewing machine, I'm going to open my hoop setup menu. Then we will select the fast clamp filter. Now I will note that the fast clamp is measured in centimeters, not inches. So we will select the little toggle switch here, select the width that I want to use, clear the disclaimer, and then hit the green check mark to select. And that's how you install your Melco Fast Clamp Pro.